Want to create a playlist with your friends on Spotify but don't know how to? Well, you are in the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a playlist with your friends together. So, first, what you have to do is open your Spotify app. So, remember, it is a collaborative playlist. And then click on your library and then click on the plus icon that is on the top right. Simply click on it and then click on collaborative playlist, which says invite friends and create something together. Simply click on that option and click on create. After that, your link will be ready to add your friends. Simply copy the link and share it with your friends on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, whatever. And there you go, your collaborative playlist will be ready. Now you can share your music taste together and compete on whose one is better. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe with your friends and create a playlist on Spotify.